Tuesday. Bavarian House actually has an open spot for my car to park in the shop, so taking my vehicle over there a little early. Yuri is on the way over right now with the tow truck. We're gonna get loaded up, roll out, drop the car off at the shop, and just hope this is the last. Here we go, guys. I'm gonna follow Yuri and the green machine and drop the keys off to Bavarian, give him a little bit of a heads up. Let me grab the sheet of codes for him, and then I'll review with you guys. What is going on here? Real quick though, little Mark V action. Okay. All right. What do you guys have here? Like, what is this? Wraps? Oh,
we do wraps. We do exotic car rentals.
Thank you. Hello, folks.
Alignment inside. Dry, steam, body shop, meeting.
You guys have Instagram?
Yeah. One of a kind customs LLC.
Awesome, man. I'll drop it in the description, guys. Thanks for showing me around. What have you done to it?
I bought it like this. Man. But yeah, it's fully built like 1600. I'm running out like 800 right now. So.
Jeez. All right, guys. We're headed to Toyota to pick up the 2-port. We got my boy here with his big lifted truck. We're gonna go make some shit happen. I'll update you in a second. Just got to Toyota Gladstone. I was talking to my buddy in the car about the message I sent to the GM and, you know, voicemail I left on the service manager's answer machine, and they called as we were talking about it in reference to that. Had a nice little talk about it, but I'm gonna run in here now, see what's going on, grab my engine. I'll update you in a little bit. All right, so I'm just leaving. Shout out to Toyota of Gladstone. They are gonna take care of everything. They told me to just send them the bill. And hey, my car's fixed. They just called me, everything is fine. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I'm on the way to pick up the car right now. We've got the engine in the back of the truck. I will be back, guys.
So basically we had the long crank and crank position sensor faults.
Yeah.
So we checked at the crank and found the sensor was plugged in,
Right.
checked voltage, found no voltage there. So then we checked the DME connectors for voltage, and these two wires right here are for the crank.
Yeah.
And they were disconnected, and there was another connector wired in here, and that was wrapped up and sitting here, which I think you had seen at one point.
Yeah. That was the main concern I brought to their attention.
Yeah.
And they were like, we don't know what this is.
So that connector was the same connector for the crank sensor. So I don't know if I have no idea why
Yeah.
they would have done that, but so we just spliced these back together, plugged that sensor back in, and
It's running.
yeah, running, all the faults cleared, runs smooth, starts right up.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man, no problem.
Hey, can you get this for me, the first startup?
Yeah.
It's already recording.
We're going? Oh, yeah.
Oh.
There's some stickers, but here's the card.
Thing on a BMW. Because I have
Come through
five
Bavarian
E28s,
House,
I have
guys,
a
for real.
89 E30.
Where's Andrew?
I got that other BMW. 2005 that Davis from Film Shop.
Yeah, dude, look at this. Amazing.
I noticed that E38 over there with the inside motor. And I pulled it, I was like, oh, that's pretty cool. Trying to sell that thing. Worked on it a couple times.
If you guys need any work done on your BMWs, you know where to go. Bavarian House, one-stop shop. I wish I would have brought my car here first, but you live and you learn. So stop by, definitely.
With the 540 motor of the M60.
So we're back at the crib. Getting the engine into the garage is going to be challenging, to say the least. Oh boy. Wish me luck, guys. Got the engine up. Just pulled up. We're at Kendall's spot right now. Check out the new wheels. Oh, come on. Let's go, baby. So we're about to do the first wash after all the service. PA, if you guys don't know, is the name of my Mark V. He's hurting right now. He needs a wash. We got dust in places that I didn't even know he had. We're gonna get it cleaned down. I forgot the carbon fiber I ordered at home, but I'll get back to the house and probably get the carbon installed after some Destiny 2. You guys know how it is. Maybe I'll upload a Destiny 2 PvP clip for you guys. It's been years since I had one on the channel. I know some of you guys are here for that content. I will provide. You better believe it. Man, got the Mark V back and it's driving, guys. Let's go, come on. All right, I'll throw some B-roll in of the car wash. All right, guys, we got the buckets ready to go. We are about to start this wash. Oh man, I'm so pumped right now. We got the chemical guy stuff. I don't know if you remember, but Detail Garage had a meet where they threw a raffle, and I was lucky enough to win that raffle. I got all the chemical guy stuff I need, 2 buckets, all the soap. So we're about to get it in, about to clean this down, show you guys some real sick B-roll with the clean Mark V. Oh, so happy right now. You guys have no idea. All right.
It's fun driving manual. It's not. Like if I'm in traffic, it's. If I'm stuck in the city, it sucks. Being stopped at red lights all the time, it sucks.
So we're at Orchard's Cars and Coffee. This is the first time back since the engine blew up.